guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kadesha, and in today's video we are back with another hair installation. Today I got a simple one for you guys. Today we're working with Recool Hair. So this is their packaging. We also received some gifts in our package today. So this is the wig we're installing today. This is their 16-inch 6x5 pre-cut body wave wig, and this unit already came fully customized. It's 100% glueless, and this one is new. They have that new breathable lace. As you can see, the cap is different from the regular caps that we've installed, and it comes with the adjustable band at the back, 2 combs in the side, and we have a comb in the back as well. But this is it. It's already pre-cut, fully customized. So what I'm about to do now is to put a wig cap on and pretty much just put a wig on, and that'll be it. The wig comes 100% beginner friendly. It's 100% glueless, and it's ready to wear. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put her wig on. So I did apply some foundation to the lace already, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. So this is what it's looking like now that we put our wig on. I feel like I'm still gonna cut a little bit off of the lace just to make it look more natural, but this is it. And pretty much I'm just gonna go ahead, straighten the part, cut the lace off, and that'll be it. It is already fully customized, 100% beginner friendly. It comes pre-curled, pre-styled. Everything is pretty much done to the unit before you receive it. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Alright guys, this is the final look. It is 100% glueless, also beginner friendly and ready to wear. This is the final look. Super bouncy, very easy to install. This is it. I will be linking the unit down below, so if you guys want to go ahead and purchase, then click that link in my description. This is where I'll leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video.